So quick, easy, and refreshing. Only 5 ingredients. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. Stay tuned. I've been using this whole Greek yogurt with the honey included. If you have just the plain yogurt, you can add a tablespoon of honey to this recipe or the sweetener of your choice, if any. In my blender, I'm adding in about a half a cup of yogurt, and as you can see, there's no exact measurements here. When I can pick up cheap fruit, I freeze it to make smoothies. Here I have some frozen bananas, and they always make a nice base for a smoothie. About a good cup and a half of frozen strawberries. And this is 1 cup of milk. And that's all the ingredients. Placing on the lid and blending for about 45 seconds. This is such a refreshing treat on a hot, humid day. A rich strawberry cold smoothie with a nice tang from the yogurt and sweetness from the fruit. A nice quick on-the-go meal, refreshment, or pick-me-up. I hope you give these easy strawberry smoothies a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.